Hello everyone, finally here with a swatch video for the diamond collection from iGelBeauty. I did decide to split this video in two. I did record the entire thing at once, but I know it is a lot. And I wanted to stay awake for this. So I decided to split it in half. So I have 72 colors in this one and 72 colors in the other one. You can see the colors here, and you can see the numbers. I put the numbers on the screen, and I'm showing you the colors and all of that because I am not going to be explaining all the colors because you can see them, and uh, all that I have to say at this point is they are freaking awesome. Like, all of these colors are amazing and they have great consistency. They have great pigmentation. They the smoothness of the colors, they're perfect. In my opinion, they are freaking awesome. So I don't have much to say, and you can obviously see the colors, and the colors are very true to color on the screen, and in real life they're pretty much what you are seeing. So I decided to cut that part out and not have to explain every color and what I think about each color, because in this half of the video these colors are amazing, and there is many colors that are around the same family color but different shades, and you will see that here too. Like I said, I have listed the number of the color on the screen so that you can see it. And remember, if you're just seeing it swatch and you didn't pay attention of the number on the beginning of the swatch, so it's listed there so that you can make your minds and make your list if you want to make a list of the colors you would want. If you ask me, I would say this is a collection that you would want the entire collection. And that's coming from a person that for the first collection, I bought my stuff in small groups of colors because I didn't want to waste my money. So, and mind you, I use iGelBeauty for 95% of my work, at least their colors, and I love all of them. I do. I used so much of iGel now, and that's only from June of this past year, because I did have other brands that I used more, but this is the brand I am using for 90% of my work. 90 to 9, I would say 95, maybe even a little bit more, but just saying all of this to say that it is an amazing product, and for me, it is worth it. So, if you ask my opinion, I would definitely say this is one collection, you want the entire thing. And I am very, normally, I am very a person that would say, like, if you can buy it, this is a very good no. No, I'm going to step outside of my comfort zone and say, this is a collection that you want the entire collection. In my humble opinion, I have all of the 247 colors of the other collection previously. I haven't tried the gel collections, not the gel, the glitter collections that they have. I believe 3 glitter collections. I haven't tried those just yet. But this one, I said, you know what? I bought everything before little by little, and I'm just going to take advantage of this sale now, and I'm going to buy the entire collection and really hope that they are at least as good as the previous one. And if you ask me, the previous one is really, really good, but this is better. This is amazing. I have nothing bad to say about this collection. I wish all of my clients would be this type of colors. Like, they would be that type of client, like this type of colors, because these colors are right up my alley. But I do have clients that like brighter colors, and that's that. I wouldn't mind using these colors all day, every day, just to say. So, in this video, I am going to go ahead and let you watch the rest of the video without me in the background giving you blah blah. But before I go, like I said, this is going to be 72 colors, and the next video is going to be 72 colors, or the last 72 colors, I should say. So I just wanted to thank you so much for all the support I've been getting in my videos. I really, really, really appreciate it. Thank you to all the new subscribers that have been coming to watch my videos, the ones that just come in and don't subscribe. I appreciate your views too, and I appreciate that you're taking the time to come watch my videos. I would love if you would want to stay and subscribe and hit that notification bell. That would be awesome. But I do thank you for coming and watching the videos, even if you're not subscribed. So with that being said, I would like for you to leave a comment down below and let me know if you would want to see more live videos. I am thinking about live videos a lot lately because there is no editing involved in that, and you can see the actual time it takes one to do something. And so I'm thinking on TikTok, I might now do some live videos to try it there. I do have a little bit over 1,000 subscribers now, and so I am able to do that. I don't enjoy it in Instagram all that much, but I do have a lot of followers there, so I will try it there too. Facebook would be another platform. I hear that that's a pretty good one, and so I YouTube too. So we'll see what's going on, but I would like for you to go follow me on those platforms if you enjoy nail content, like acrylic nails. Mostly what I do is acrylic nails. If you like anything acrylic nail content related, you will find a lot of that in my other social media. Like I said, I do post on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and so I would love to have you there. Leave a comment down below also if you have any suggestions for videos. I am going to do have a few videos that I have been that I had for a while on already recorded file, and I haven't been able to edit them, so I'm going to do those. I started editing a video before the holidays, or before I had to go on a trip in October, some colors for different collections, and I was like um, comparing them, and so I might do that too. This collection actually, in colors, some colors is pretty similar to some of the colors from the color blend collection from Glam and Glitz, and I didn't really like those, but I can do a comparison for that. There is a lot of videos that I can do. I just want to do videos that you want to watch too. So if you want to leave that down below, I am trying my best to be able to record and edit all of these videos that you would want to see. It is a little hard sometimes because I do work full time and I have all of the other social medias that I have to take care of too, but I am doing my best, and I'm trying to get in a rhythm to do these things. So hopefully you will stick around and you'll give me some ideas. And like I said, I thank you so very much for being here. I thank you enormously for watching my videos and taking the time to leave the comments. So do that and come back. Don't forget to come back for the second part of this video. And now I'm just going to leave you to the music, and I hope that you enjoy all of this beautiful, beautiful colors that I get to show you in this video. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Like I said, don't forget to comment down below what you want to watch, if you're interested in live videos. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the other videos coming up. And to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified when the second part of this video comes. And remember to visit my other social medias. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the video.